Here we have a Pentair Compool valve actuator. It has an on-off toggle here. But if you'll notice, this one, when you toggle it, the valve doesn't turn. And this one is stuck in spa mode, so we need to turn this valve off. Unfortunately, there's not a way to bypass the motor on the Compool one, so we're just going to take this off, put the handle on the valve, and turn it manually. Okay, so turn it off, then remove the 4 screws that hold it in place. Now, if this was a jandy valve actuator, there is a trick to manually turning it around, but on the Compools, you actually have to remove the valve. Okay, now that it's off, we'll take off the handle. Pick it straight up. Now we'll replace it here. Now this just needs to rotate 180 degrees to pool mode. So turn that valve opposite where it is, and we'll put the nut back in it. Now if you happen to have some extra screws like I do, I'm going to fill these holes where the old valve actuator came out of. That way there's no leaks. All right, so there we go, it's fixed. Now the pool will be in the correct mode, pool mode. Let's go back to auto. And we will be replacing this in the next video. Actually replace the whole mechanism. It's typically the way they come. You could go and replace the motors. Difficult to find, and just easier just to replace the whole unit, get a new warranty and everything. So that'll be in the next one.